guys, so today I'm gonna open this crybaby blind box. This time I used my own money, and let's see which one I got. Honestly, I love everything but this one or this one. I like anything honestly, so I'd be happy with any actually. So let's open it. I'm gonna show you the blind bag, the inside of the blind bag, and then I'm gonna see. Okay. Oh. Okay, let's see. I wonder which one I got. Okay, so here it is. I'm gonna see what's the inside. So I'm gonna do this. Let's see. I got Buttercup! So cute! Yay! I'm so happy with what I got. Yeah, I got this one. This one. So cute. I'm gonna see the card. See, so cute! Yay! Thank you for watching. Bye bye.